Every new branch doesn't really start with a beautiful showroom. It starts with an empty space, a space full of dust, empty walls, and a whole lot of imagination. But for us, this empty space is already full of possibilities. Today, finally, we're here. We're visiting the future home of our newest Little Rider PH branch. Honestly, it's a different kind of excitement because every branch we build is another chance to reach more families, another chance to serve more communities, and hopefully make more kids super happy. First glance, it's just an empty building, but in our minds, we can already picture where the ride-on cars will be displayed, where the bikes will stand, where parents will walk, and where we'll welcome every family that visits us. So we started measuring the glass, the walls, the spaces, even choosing the right tiles. Mukhang simpleng bagay lang, pero every small detail matters. Because we always want every branch to feel like Little Rider PH. Whether you're visiting Manila, Bulacan, Cavite, or soon, here in Ilagan. We want every family to experience the same warmth, the same quality, the same service, and the same happiness. After measuring everything, it's time to make a long list. Tools, materials, divisions, shelves, paint, lighting, and all the things people usually don't notice. Pero sila talaga ang bumubuo sa isang showroom. Planning takes time, preparation takes patience. But we know doing things right from the very beginning will always be worth it. Then, shopping mode. The whole day was spent going from one store to another, looking for the right materials, comparing prices, checking quality, and making sure we don't miss anything. Nakakapagod. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero habang isang-isang napupuno ang sasakyan ng mga gamit, mas lalo pa naming nararamdaman na papalapit na talaga kami. Every material we buy, every receipt we keep, every trip we make is one step closer to opening another Little Rider PH branch.
So ayan guys, nakita nyo naman today ang inisikaso natin. Bumili tayo ng mga gamit na gagamitin bukas para sa mga gagawa ng partition, sa racks yung lagayan ng mga motorcycles natin. And nagpasukat na rin tayo para dun sa glass. Yan. And nga pala, nandito tayo sa Ilagan Complex. Since medyo malapit din siya sa shop and maghapon tayong nag-ayos ng para sa Little Rider PH Ilagan branch sa ating bagong tahanan. So it's time naman na mag-enjoy si Primo since kasama din natin siya maghapon. So ang luwag dito, yan, may area dito na pwede siyang mag-ikot-ikot, mag-motor-motor. So it's time naman para mag-enjoy siya and very fulfilling tong araw na to. Sobrang excited kami and samahan nyo kami sa pagbuo na magiging bagong tahanan ng Little Rider PH. At ang dami nagtatanong kailan ba talaga magbubukas ang ating Ilagan Isabela branch. So sabay-sabay tayo at samahan nyo kami sa pagbuo. And see you soon guys!
Day 2, and just like every renovation, akala mo kompleto na pero may kulang pa rin. So before going back to the site, another quick stop. More paint, a few more supplies, a few more tools. Ganito talaga. Renovations are never perfect on the first trip, and honestly, that's part of the journey. Finally, back to the site, and this time, something feels different. Construction has officially started. Seeing the workers begin, hearing the sounds of renovation, and seeing our soon-to-open tarp already standing, hits differently. Parang doon mo talaga mararamdaman na malapit na. It's finally becoming real. Before we end this update, we also want to say thank you to the people behind this renovation. Hindi man sila palagi nakikita sa video, pero sila ang isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit unti-unting nabubuo. To everyone helping us behind the scenes, thank you so much. To be honest, this project was not easy. Wala kaming connections dito, hindi na namin alam kung saan kami magsisimula. Hindi rin namin alam kung saan kami bibili ng bawat materials or even who to approach for every little detail. Everything was completely new to us, and because we only have limited time here in Ilagan, every single day, every hour really counts. But one thing we're truly grateful for is meeting the owner of this building. Sir, maraming salamat po. From the very beginning, you've been guiding us every step of the way. You've shared your experiences, recommended the right people, pointed us to the right suppliers, and help us connect everything together. Because of your guidance, what felt overwhelming become much easier. Thank you for treating us not just as tenants but as people genuinely trying to build something meaningful. Maraming salamat po, sir. We'll always remember your kindness. Moments like this remind us that building a business is never done alone. Behind every showroom are people who choose to help, people who choose to guide, people who choose to believe in your dream, and for that, we are truly grateful. Few days ago, this was just an empty space. Soon, it become another place where families will create memories together, where parents will smile while watching their kids enjoy, where laughter, excitement, and happiness will fill every corner. And that's always been our mission. We make kids super happy. Everyone who's been supporting Little Rider PH, whether you've bought from us, shared our videos, recommended us to your friends, or simply believe in what we're building, thank you. Every branch we open is because of your trust. Hindi namin ito mararating kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat for allowing us to keep growing. Not just as a business, but as a company that wants to create more happy childhood memories. One family at a time? This is only the beginning of our Ilagan journey. We cannot wait to show you more progress and we're excited to bring you along every step of the way. We'll see you on our next construction update. See you soon and thank you for being part of this dream.
Little Rider! So another day, another site visit dito sa ating Ilagan Isabela branch. So yan, meron na tayong tarpaulin dito na soon to open. Katapat lang din tayo ng McDonald's. So sobrang ganda ng location natin dito sa Ilagan. So, along Baligatan tayo. So, tara, pasok tayo. Pakita natin sa inyo. So, ito yung ating development. Yan. So, first day nila dito. First day ng mga workers. Kasi yesterday nabili tayo ng mga gamit. So, lalagyan nila yan ng division dito. So, plan na namin na dito yung ating reception. Tapos, dito natin ilalagay yung mga racks para dun sa mga display ng mga toy cars, motors, ATV. So, mas malaki tong showroom na to compared dun sa ating Bulacan branch. So, we're very excited dahil mas marami kami masya-showcase sa inyo ng mga toy cars, mga ATVs, mga motorcycles, bikes. So, mas marami kayo makikita dito sa branch natin sa Ilagan, Isabela branch. And very excited na kami na sa mga bagong parating pa natin na ipapakita sa inyo dito sa ating branch. So, ito yung update natin today. So, samahan nyo kami sa mga susunod nating mga update dito sa branch. See you!